Hey you! Today I will show you exactly how we can fix the not responding in Premiere Pro problem. Solution 1. Go to Edit, Preferences, then we go to Media Cache, and then right now click on Delete, do OK, and this is the first solution. Now we deleted all our media caches. The second solution, go to File, Project Settings, General, and then right here, change the render from CUDA to software only and click on OK. The third solution is go to Edit, Preferences, then right here go to Memory and make sure that you lower this amount. I reserved 6 GB for other applications, but make sure that you throw this to 1 or 2 when you're lagging in Premiere Pro or when it's not responding. For the last two solutions, we close our Premiere Pro, and when you can't click on the cross on Premiere Pro, you need to do Ctrl-Alt-Delete, Task Manager, and then you can delete the process with this Task Manager. But for solution 4, we go to Task Manager again, and then close some processes that will cost a lot of memory. So right now, if I'm looking, Spotify cost me very much memory and Google Chrome too. So make sure that you close those processes. That is solution 4. And for solution 5, we go to Device Manager, go to Display Adapters and make sure that you update both of them by clicking on it, right mouse click, Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, and then it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. Do this also for the other. And these are the 5 solutions how we can fix that Premiere Pro is not responding. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao!